Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the emo 2000s outfit inspo in Dress to Impress. So it's time to get your black eyeliner and studded belt and ready for the ultimate emo 2000 outfits in DTI. If you want to ace any throwback 2000s or black and white theme, this is the inspiration you need. So now let's just get started. So as you guys can see in here, for the hair I'm using black and this pink color. And this is the hair that I use, this wavy hair combined with this two bangs and also this one. Now let's just make the outfit. So to start, you can put on this t-shirt from the women section, this one. So toggle it into no image, so remove the image and use this patterns right here. Let's scroll down, this one, and then let's move on in here. I'm going to put on this arm warmer and use this patterns right here. Sorry. This one, and then I'm going to also put on the sleeves in here. So for the sleeve, I'm going to use the fishnet pattern match with the skin tone, so I'm going to use this ones in here. Now let's move on. I'm going to put on this leg warmer and use the pink zebra pattern for this one. What is it? Sorry, this one in here. I've already saved it in the top. And for the shoe, I'm going to use this long boots in here and change the first color into black and the second one to pink like the hair. Okay, now you can just move on and put on the pants. So for the pants, I'm going to use this flare jeans and change the color to black, remove the flower and add thorn ribs to it. We'll build a look for the pants. Let's add this studded necklace right here, and then I'm going to go in here and put on this skirt. For the skirt, I'm going to use this patterns right here, and also use so just choose any patterns with black color on it. I'm going to use these chains in pink color. And that's it. So guys, this will be the final look for my emo 2000s outfit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thing. Bye.